Happy new month, everyone, and a very warm welcome to my channel. So, it's the first Sunday of the month, and I'm back again with another pleasant recipe I know you would love. In today's video, I'm making authentic Ghanaian light soup. It's so easy to make and it's absolutely delicious. So, if you want to know how it was made, then please stick with me. Thank you. So as you can see, I'm roasting the chicken over direct heat, and it will help remove any off aroma from the chicken, enhance its flavor, and it will also aid in the removal of scale and hair from the chicken. And it's also going to improve the taste of the soup. So when I'm done, I'll quickly clean off the stove and then I'll continue. This is the outcome after roasting. So I'll clean it and I'll wash it off camera. And when I'm done, I'll start by adding some cloves of garlic, star anise seeds, rosemary, scallions, finger chilies, some ginger, onion, and then one scotch bonnet pepper. And I'll blend. So if you've watched this far, thank you so much. I truly appreciate it. So when I'm done blending, I'll add it to the chicken, which is already cleaned, and I'll add 2 tablespoons of chicken seasoning and a tablespoon or more of homemade all-purpose seasoning. At this stage, you can add your preferred seasoning, and that's okay. Afterwards, I'll add some diced onion, and then I'll stir. I'll then add some pepper and onion and allow it to cook for roughly 30 minutes. Yeah, you don't need any water. So after 30 minutes, I'll check on the chicken and I'll remove the onion and pepper and I'll blend later. Afterwards, I'll add some mackerel sauce into the chicken, and trust me, this takes it to another level. It takes the soup to another level, I'd say. I will then add some tomato paste and I'll stir and cover to cook while I head over to blend my pepper. So I'll add the onion and pepper to a blender and I'll blend. Afterwards, I'll add it back to the chicken. So I diluted it with a little amount of water and I made sure it was well blended so I didn't have to strain. So you will check the quantity of chicken used and then you add some water. Like I said in my previous video, you don't want to add too much water when the meat or chicken used is too small. So I'll add some tomatoes and onion and I'll allow it to cook on medium heat. And after 20 minutes, I'll check on it and I'll remove the onion and tomatoes and blend it. After which I'll add it back to the soup. I hope I'm clear. So when I'm done, I'll add the mackerel and I'll stir. Afterwards, I'll add some kokoshito and I'll allow it to cook on low heat. And when oil starts to settle on top, you know you are almost done. At this stage, you could smell the flavors of the soup everywhere. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, share, and then subscribe. And you can never make light soup without fufu. So I enjoyed mine with some fufu. See you in my next video. Bye.